Hi lovelies, welcome to another vlog. Spend a day with me as I go for CDS and a community outreach that we've been planning for a while now. So we had to wait for others to come and then we embarked on our journey. Guys, meet Yosola, an amazing author. This girl is an author, she's a creative, she's a brand influencer. She recently just launched a book, 31 Days of Becoming Her. Please check it out on Instagram. So this outreach was really all about sensitizing the community on household and personal hygiene. It was fun, the kids loved it. We distributed household toiletries. The community leader prayed for us and then we headed to the market. This is cloves. This is my first time at this market. We shopped a few items, bought fruits, and then I headed home to make homemade Zobo. Cinnamon sticks. Added some pineapples as well to its cloves. I wanted mine thick, so I didn't add too much water. The aroma, guys, it filled the entire room. A 1000 out of 10. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. See you in my next video. Bye.